Hi, Ben. This is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You had spoken with my employee, Haley, and said that we could send you this video. So I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website because there's lots of people in the area searching for roofing services, and we're just trying to get your website to show up at the top of those search results so you can get more business. The reason we're doing this is because I used to own my own roofing company, so I understand the struggles contractors go through, but I also understand being a business owner, you get really busy trying to run the business and you don't have the free time to sit on the computer all day and learn how to make the internet work for you to bring the customers to you. And the biggest thing that we found that holds owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is not knowing which one is going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we believe in giving value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. There's been lots of owners who reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff done. So if after this video you see that we know our stuff and you're confident we can deliver the results you're looking for, go ahead and give us a call and we'll have a chat and see if you could be our exclusive roofing client for the area. If you want to take the information and just use it to make changes to the site yourself, please do. This is free education. So I'm here to talk about 3 quick points today: content, citations, and backlinks. I like your site. Actually, you guys have a good layout. The fact you have a 5-star review is awesome. Definitely keep that up. That's quality service. Now, your phone number is not click to call. I recommend making these two clickable. You have them down here, but also just for web users on the phone, it makes it a little easier. Now, continuing down, the appearance, it looks great. Now, the appearance, though, is for the customers. Google does not rank your site based on looks. Google is using bots called crawlers that scan all the content within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in the customer search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage, and then you want at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want at least 100 words of content to support it. When you have your site built this way, it actually does 2 things for you. It shows Google that you're an expert in the industry, and it has Google putting your website at the top of more search results, which means more business. Now, I have an example of a keyword for you, which is Nashville roofing companies, getting almost 600 searches a month. Now, when customers do any type of a search, they're going to see this map pack or Google My Business or GMB. To get this optimized, you want to add your company contact information, photos, and website. Then you want to get your contact information into citations. Citations are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there, but you need your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors to rank in the top 3, which is where customers call for the map pack the most. Now, continuing down here is the organic search results. The top few sites get rotated by Google, but your top competitor, Nashville Roofing Company, is also dominating the map pack. So let's take a look at their site. We can see here they don't have very much content, so that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb is going to help you beat them on that side of things. For the other side of things, we use a paid tool called Ahrefs. Now, this tool shows what's happening on the back end of your website. I can see here your homepage has no ranking. Your entire website has no domain ranking either. Now, these rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. So it must still be a new website, or it's just not speaking Google's language enough for Google or this Ahrefs tool to even register it. Now, you do have 2 backlinks coming from one random site. A backlink is just when another site online, in the case here, it's the buildermarket.com, linking to your site and pushing traffic to you. Google uses backlinks to be competitive, so you need to be cautious because not all backlinks are created equal. Before you link to a site, you want to make sure that it's high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry. So like I said, you have 2 links coming from that one site. You have 17 keywords, and if you notice, your position for the keywords, the earliest you show up is on the 3rd page. So you're still a little bit far off for people to be discovering you, which is why you have no traffic. If we take a look at the Nashville Roofing Company, you can see that we've actually got some, they have a homepage ranking of 28. Their entire website is 1.7, so they're low ranking. They're going to be easy to beat. What we'll do is we'll search through the backlinks of your top competitors and find the highest quality ones to put on your site and give you that authority. But then we're going to hunt down backlinks none of your competition is using and put the best quality ones on your site so that you can dominate the market. Their links are coming from 93 sites. They have 236 keywords. All this is giving them 456 traffic. So even if only half the visitors to their site are filling out the contact form and calling the phone, that's still a couple hundred roof opportunities a month. So, and I mean, we know that there's a search volume. You guys just need help getting your website to get noticed by Google by using Google's language. Quick recap. You're going to want at least 1,500 words on the homepage and then at least 500 words on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb for every keyword. Get at least 100 words of content to support it. Then you need to get your Google My Business optimized by adding your company contact information into as many online directories as you can. And you want to go get high quality backlinks that are high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry. With these 3 steps, you guys will be dominating and ranking #1 across Google. I know it's a lot of information, but you can take it and apply it yourself. Totally okay. Like I said, it's free education. My team is really looking for the feedback. We just want to know if we're delivering good value when we send out these videos. However, if you did want some assistance getting this stuff done and you want to look at being our exclusive Nashville area client, go ahead and give us a call. We'll have a chat, see if we're going to be a good fit, and then we can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or even employees if you're looking to grow your work crews. I will have Haley follow up in the next few days just to get your feedback. I want to say thank you so much for letting us send you the video and taking the time to watch it. I hope you got good value out of it and enjoy the rest of your day.